How do we remove inquiries in 2023? Is it still as simple as calling in and asking them to remove the inquiries nicely? Let's find out. All right, what is up, Wallet Monkeys? Welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do is explore a very recent, like within the last couple days, case study of the technique that became popular. I think it became popular in like 2020, but basically calling up the bureaus and getting inquiries removed. So there's a lot of different ways that we can do this. Credit repair is something we don't really talk about on a channel that much, but this is just such a good slam dunk recent example that I wanted to share it with you. Okay, so let's get into it. First off, the easiest place to get inquiries removed by calling in is Experian. Always has been, probably always will be. And the hardest is Equifax, TransUnion, depends on who you talk to. I think TransUnion is still doable. You just got to get used to them telling you no. Equifax, I think the hardest, okay? So understand, if this isn't working, then we can go to the CFPB and we can go to the FTC and we can submit claims and submit fraud cases that way. And that's another way to get inquiries removed. Inquiries, by the way, are the easiest thing on your credit report to get removed. Outside of spare addresses and extra names and all kinds of other goofy stuff like that on your basic information side, inquiries are the easiest thing to get removed. So we actually have a lot of people in the community getting this done on a regular basis, but this was just like so fast and they were so excited that I wanted to share this with you. So here's how this went. On the 19th, they called in, did this, went through the process, basically just said, hey, essentially there's fraudulent inquiries on my report. I didn't approve these, which, by the way, you want to do this with inquiries where it wasn't approved. Now, it's even better when they're inquiries that came from like some subprime type deal that you didn't even know about. Like, for example, when you go and get a car, you don't know this, but a lot of times they'll shop around your credit and then your report will come back with 10, 15 different inquiries. That is nasty business. And I don't like that. And I don't agree with that. So that's what happened here. These were all essentially farmed out and shopped around when she went and got a new car. So that, I think, does make it a little bit easier because they can see that the date was right around the same time. All these inquiries hit, like what happened here? And your average person is not going to go out and apply for 16 things on one day. So the more of them that are like kind of grouped together, I do think that makes it easier. But here's what happened. On the 19th, called, did the business, 1 a.m. that same day, so technically rolled over to 4:20, all of them removed. Look at this, Bank of America deleted, Cap One, Auto deleted, Santander deleted, Santander again deleted, two in one day, come on guys. Ally Financial and Factual, all deleted, bang, gone. Next, the very next day, so I think this was 20th to 21st, we tackled TransUnion, right? And so again, same thing, call and get the job done. So here's what happened here, and this you'll see way more often with TransUnion, but you'll also see it with Equifax as well if you want to call in on that, is called in, spoke to a representative. Initially, they said, no, can't remove the inquiries, and stated I needed to do blah, blah, blah. I said, nope, these are fraudulent. I should not have to take action. I did not authorize these inquiries and I want them removed. So the rep insisted, and then she restated again. I just restated that it's not my responsibility to correct inaccurate reporting by TransUnion and I wanted it removed. She told me to hold on, came back after a long awkward pause, and they were removed. Then she transferred me to a specialist who validated who I was and confirmed that the items I requested were removed and would be reflected in 24 to 48 hours on TransUnion reports from everything from FICO to Credit Karma. So there you have it. Here we are, 2023. The stuff still works. You can call in and get them removed. Do not expect it to be easy. Expect to hear no. So that way when you do hear no, you're not thrown off your game and fumbling over your words. Expect them to say no once or twice. Stay assertive. Restate the facts. Do not go off script. Continue to hit them until they say yes. If they don't, say thank you so much, hang up, call right back, speak to another rep. Well, wait like a minute or two and call and talk to another rep. Try the same thing again. Do this over and over and over and over and over again, and I guarantee you'll have much higher rate of success. All right, my friends, so hopefully this will help you. Take this, apply it out on your credit report. Good luck out there. Hey, you should subscribe. 60% of you are not subscribed yet. Right there. Okay, bye.